Let me ask you a question. Have other people ever told you that you have a healing aura or positive energy around you and that it feels good and balancing to be in your presence? Do you feel a strong desire to help others open their hearts, release emotional burdens and blockages in a gentle way, and find balance, reassurance, and greater self-acceptance? What if you could learn to heal, strengthen, and balance others simply by caring for them? Imagine being able to do this through the calm, resting touch of your hand, or by giving them a long, soothing hug. This is the work of an energetic heart and soul companion. You can now apply for this opportunity to learn how to embody your highest healing vibration, which has the power to transform and uplift others. You will learn concrete practices for creating a shared energy field and maintaining a loving, supportive presence. This involves holding hands and breathing through your heart center to establish a deep energetic connection. If you feel this could be right for you, please get in touch.